Okay. Oh no, you do it. Oh, it's okay. Okay?
Yeah. Over there isn't invisible.
Is it visible?
Yeah.
What's invisible?
Santa, we saw him.
Yes.
I think Santa's on the roof.
Santa's on the roof yet. Not yet.
Well, he's not coming until.
So we're gonna follow the steps and have a good time. Okay. Part 1 of 15 Hours to Christmas. Yeah.
Where's my chocolate? Whoa. It's way long it's gonna take. Wait, baby.
Okay.
We had 3 things. Santa, giving snowman, too hard Santa, and dear mom.
So why is it Dear Mom for, woman? Why it says Dear Mom?
Huh?
Why it says Dear Mom?
It is.
Why?
It's a deer.
Why does he say dear though? It's not for it's for me. It's for Santa.
For you.
Oh. Thanks, buddy.
I'm going to say it to him.
Let me give him a hug. Or am I hugging?
I can't get it.
So the time is now 10:09 p.m. I never get to show you like my little content creating room. It's a little junky right now, but I'm gonna still show it off. Let's go ahead and show it off. Hold on. As you can see, the backdrop isn't finished yet. She has a little bit more to go. I have used 2 rolls of wallpaper, and they're like, I think they're $39 a piece. So the third one is coming. So to, you know, how to relax a little bit. It's like that was pushing the budget. So like the third one is coming. See, it's not bad. Okay, cool. So yeah, I just need to finish up the little bit in the side corners and those 2 little squares right there. So it's the last row. But yeah, we have that. We back it up some more. That is my content creator room. This is it. This is where we at. We are in my lovely studio where I make clothes, where I make my content, take my pictures at, so you know, a little bit of modeling here and there. In my DIY, I do everything in here pretty much. This is my room. This is my little art space. Shout out to the art girlies, fashion girlies, the girl that does everything. So what you saw earlier in the little clip, you saw a little station, a little coloring station. That's one of Roman's gifts. I asked my mom to get the desk for me because I already got the Nintendo Switch for him, and I was already breaking a bank. So mom got the desk. I just got the art supplies. So yeah, that's the little something for him. So we're gonna go do his room. Once he knocks out, we're gonna updo his room a little bit. One thing about me, I like to hide things in plain sight, but I lock my room up so nobody's gonna get in here. But just in case someone does get in here. Yeah. Fun to his room. Off to a good start. Doing a bed first. Trying to be very quiet because sometimes Roman likes to wake up when I'm not in the bed, or if he's by himself in his room, he'll come to my room. looking for me. So I gotta speed this up. I mean, it's not even 12 o'clock yet. So he's in fresh deep sleep. Still can't take a risk though. I have fun being a mom. I mean, is it tough? Yes, because we're growing up together. We're literally growing up together. Like we learn. We're learning in real time. I think it's pretty real. Like, I'm not perfect. I'm 23, you know? So at the same time, like, I'm still developing as a 23-year-old should develop. All my other friends, we're still learning things in life. I'm just different because I have a kid. So it's like, it's hard. It's hard. But, you know, there's no rules to being a great mom. You know, you just gotta be a decent mom, you know? Big wish. Had to make a wish. Shout out to my coworker Aaron for buying Roman this for Christmas. He doesn't know about it yet, but I really do appreciate this because this go towards his new art set. So thank you, Aaron. I appreciate you. Love you. That was really sweet of you. So Roman had a smaller art desk. It was really small. It was actually a desk, but like, you know, he had it with his like, I think 2 to 3. We had to see it was 2. So time to upgrade him to actually, you know, to a big boy desk. So this is like this little art supply kit. So he had crayons in here, some colored pencils, his scissors, his flashcards, like math, and his favorite thing ever in the world, his favorite calculator, and glue stick. So we're gonna just add his pencils and like his calculator stuff to the art desk. Now, I'm the type of mother who likes new things. He already had crayons in here, but as you can see, I bought new crayons. I got him the 48-pack crayons. So when I'm doing these crayons, I'm just gonna put them in a bag, and he just had them for like, you know, extras. Like if anything happens to those crayons, he has these crayons. Not fun to throw them away, because that's a waste. But I will keep them in a bag, and he just have them later if he needs some crayons, like traveling crayons. Like that's the home crayon. This could be traveling crayons or like anything he needs. You know? Mom life, mom life. Phase 3. What was phase 3? I'm a hot mom. Interesting. I don't want sweets right now. I really don't. I was gonna just act like I ate it. I'm just gonna throw this. Okay. You know, it's a bite mark. A bite mark. Trash. So you gotta fake it, right? And this one, I don't want to eat it because it's too late for me to eat. Okay. Oh, they got hard. Okay. The things I do for love. I'm just gonna have one cookie left, and that's art. So this is the last thing I'm gonna do before I hit the bed. I'm gonna try to make this. This is like a practice. It's basically like for pitchers to like throw the ball into the catcher's hand. It's a training not little, but it's a training baseball thing for Roman. Okay, actually, we're just gonna leave it like this. It's a little too noisy, and I don't want him to do all that. So we're gonna leave it like this. He'll be like, oh, it's baseball. Simple, cute, simple. So it's time to hit the bed, y'all.
What is this box? Yes, this. Oh.
What you got?
That's so cool.
That's it?
Yeah. What's on light? Whoa.
Whoa.
What's my thing is
Tell them
on
what you got for Christmas.
theater? I got springy. What next?
You got a, it's called a slingy.
Sling.
What else you got?
I don't know.
What's this in your head?
A baseball hat.
Yeah, what kind of baseball hat?
A water.
Yep. Little braids. Okay.
A lantern brace.
And then you got a baseball training kit.
Right.
You got a Nintendo Switch, right?
Yeah.
And got new headphones.
And Minecraft.
A Minecraft game.
The
We have one more surprise, by the way. I think
Right.
Santa left us one more thing, okay?
Okay. What you left me?
We'll see in a few minutes, okay?
Okay.
Let me open my stuff, okay? Ugh. Flashes. Okay. Aww. It's a mini printer. I really need this. Like, real bad. Fun fact, I used to collect beats when I was like in middle school, and majority of my collection is like either stolen. So there's that. Oh, this actually is what I wanted from Target. It's really cute. It's actually really cute. I wanted some Target, I really did. It's actually really cute. I was gonna cry. I was gonna cry. It's a new iPad. See?
Look at this.
Look at what? Look at what?
Look at my room.
You like your room?
Yeah, look.
Oh my goodness.
Things.
Yeah, man.
Thank you for having me that night.
Who are you saying thank you to?
You.
Me? You're welcome. You saw your toy?
Huh?
You saw your toy?
Yeah.
What's in your toy?
Minecraft. And a diamond sword. Diamond sword. Look what it says on it.
You gotta read it.
It said Nerf hammer.
So you can do your homework on this table. So you get your calculator and your pencils
And the scissor.
and the scissors.
I want to paint.
You wanna paint?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna paint. Hey Roman,
Huh?
can you say Merry Christmas?
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, everybody. And a Happy New Year's.